I'm ready now for what's coming. I've seen it all with my eyes closed. Unsteady now, but I won't quit running. No, I'll never let go. Final hour, I feel my heart racing. I feel my body bracing. The darkness descends. Lord knows the glory I've been chasing. It stripped me of everything, and now it might be the end. The sun is gone, I'm holding on, swallowed up in the fires. But don't call me broken, just call me fighter. A life of pain, wrapped up in chains, still my dream burns brighter. Don't call me broken, just call me fighter. Call me fighter. Call me fighter. Call me fighter. Don't call me broken, just call me fighter. A warrior lives for battle and fights for a new